Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to prepare an optimal health mid-afternoon snack. What we're going to make today is steamed vegetables topped with some melted shredded cheese with your choice of whole wheat crackers, raw almonds, or your favorite piece of fruit. So I want to go over the products I have here in front and talk about them because it's important you understand a few key points. First off, before we do all that, I love these steam fresh or steam in a bag frozen vegetables that you can buy in the frozen food section of literally every grocery store. These can literally be popped in a microwave and in a few minutes you have perfectly healthy raw vegetables that you can have for snacks. They're incredibly healthy and awesome to have as much as what you can get in. Now, here's a couple different varieties and every grocery store is going to be a little bit different, but the nutritional value is going to be real similar. So here, Hanover, this is steam in a bag broccoli florets. You can buy these with cauliflower, broccoli cauliflower, with carrots. So there's a bunch of varieties that you can get. I like the ones that have a variety of vegetables in them. So you can see this one has the broccoli, the carrots, sugar snap, peas, water chestnuts, color. Remember, you want to go for color, a multitude of colors inside of each day with your fruits and vegetables. So I like this because it's supplying me with a variety of different colors inside of my vegetable groups. So I love these, and I have another example here of ones that I don't love. And the reason is because these are raw. And one more point about this is vegetables do contain a small amount of natural sodium. So if I turn this over and look at the ingredients list, there's 4 ingredients: broccoli, carrots, sugar snap peas, and water chestnuts. That's it. However, if I look at sodium, there's 25 milligrams of sodium. However, there's nothing in the ingredients list saying there's added salt, which means that there's naturally occurring sodium, which is perfectly fine. All right, so that's good. However, these are not, because this variety, as you can see, is seasoned. So if I would turn this product over and look at the ingredients list, first off, I'm going to notice in the nutrition facts panel that there is 330 milligrams of sodium in 1 cup of that. And that's because there is added salts and seasonings into this, which increases that value. So not only does this contain a little natural occurring sodium, but this also has added salts and preservatives in it. So this is an example of a product that I would not like to see you choosing on a regular basis. Instead, just getting the raw form where there's no added salts to that. So make sure that you pay attention and look at the labels whenever you buy these. Now we're going to top that with some shredded cheese, and we're going to let it melt over top. It's delicious. And I have here, Kraft makes these really healthier versions of the shredded cheese where it's fat-free. And this is great because you're not going to have any total fat or saturated fat, which is key. So this is using fat-free milk when they're preparing this. So there's a bunch of varieties out there. Here's 2 that you can commonly find. The choice is up to you what you want to go with, but very low calorie, high protein, high calcium foods that we're going to top our vegetables with. And then the choice is up to you. I love Triscuit crackers because this is a true 100% whole wheat cracker. This is the reduced fat variety. You're going to run into only 3 ingredients in this cracker. Very rare, so these are great. You can find these in virtually every grocery store. You could also choose, instead of the cracker, some raw almonds. So if you went with about 7 raw almonds, you're going to replace the calories with that and add another source of calcium. Remember, almonds are going to contain a nice source of calcium in comparison to other nuts. Or you could use your favorite piece of fruit to finish this snack off. So let me show you how easy this is to prepare. Okay, so I have everything ready to go. I have my 1/4 cup of fat-free mozzarella cheese. I'm going to have to pop this in the microwave, and I have my raw almonds ready. So I'll see you in about 4.5 minutes when these come out. Okay, now the biggest thing when you pull these things out is to be careful because this bag is very hot. So use a knife or something like that to make your hole in the bag. And then keep in mind that a cup is about the size of your closed fist. So that's what I'm going to use to put my vegetables on my plate here. So I'm going to estimate that serving size, visualizing my fist. That's about 1 cup. And now while this is nice and hot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to dump that shredded cheese, and it's a 1/4 cup right over top that. And in a couple seconds, this is going to melt down over. I'm going to let that cool, and it's going to melt at the same time. And then with that, Again, you can choose your whole wheat crackers, your favorite piece of fruit. In this case, I'm gonna count out 7 raw almonds, and I have myself a perfectly healthy, optimal health mid-afternoon snack that's high in protein, high in fiber, and it's an excellent source of calcium. Enjoy.